Hey guys, looking to purchase a home in Vancouver and want to know how you can purchase it? Well, stay tuned. We'll show you how exactly to do that. And while we're out here, feel free to like, share, and subscribe to this video. And stay tuned till the end because we have some very valuable tips that will help you guys out. Hey guys, Steven Singera here with Prestige Property Group, and welcome to our page here, Vancouver BC Living. So today I will be showing you how to purchase a home in Vancouver, British Columbia. So the first step that you guys want to take in order to purchase a home in Vancouver, British Columbia is get a pre-approval from a mortgage broker. So how you get a pre-approval is either going through the banks, which you'll find like lenders such as Scotiabank, TD, Bank of Montreal, Royal Bank of Canada, and there's so many other banks around here as well that you guys can go directly to and talk to the mortgage brokers, or there's actual mortgage brokers that will find you the best lender at the best rates as well possible. So there's two different options that you guys can go through that route. So the second step in your pre-approval process would be now to sit down with one of these mortgage brokers and figure out how much exactly you can afford. So how you would do that is they would determine your income, which they would get off your 2 years of T4s. You would also use your notice of assessments, 2 years of notice of assessments, job letters, and pay stubs and bank statements as well. So these are kind of the general items they would want for your income. Also, they will want to know your credit score. So this is generally what they would pull at the end once they've given you kind of an idea of what they can actually pre-approve you for. Because you know what, you don't want anybody just constantly pulling your credit over and over again. It will start to impact it. It won't take a significant impact on it, but it will start to have an effect on it over time. And then also they will look at your liabilities. So do you have a line of credits that are, maybe maxed out, or maybe you have a line of credit available to you and you haven't used any of it, right? Maybe you have credit cards, car payments, maybe another home that you're paying for as well. So they can take all these things into consideration as well when doing your mortgage approval process. And then also your down payment as well. So typically in Vancouver, your minimum down payment is 5%. That is on a home that you're looking to purchase that is less than $500,000. Once you're looking to purchase a home over $500,000, up to $1 million. So between $500,000 and $1 million, you would need your 5% on the first $500,000, which would be $25,000, and then whatever the balance is between $500,000 to $1 million, it would be 10% of that. So let's say you're purchasing a $700,000 home, then basically you would have 5% up on $500,000. That would be your down payment, and then 10% will be on the remaining $200,000 to make it $700,000. So that would be your down payment process there. And then anything over $1 million, you need a minimum 20% down payment. So that's how the down payment process works. And so when the mortgage broker has all this information, they can finally give you a determined answer of how much they can actually pre-approve you guys for. So the third step in the process would be showing you properties. So we would show you properties after we got your pre-approval, and we would show you the properties that fit your criteria based on what your needs or wants are. So we would show you one of these properties, or show you a couple of them, and then once we've determined that we have found the right property for you, we would put in an offer. So how we would put the offer is we would write a contract of purchase to sale up and have that signed by you, the buyer, and then we would send that off to the seller side. And then either we go back, counter offers, going back and forth, or they would accept the offer based on the terms and conditions, and then we would finally have the accepted offer. So after we have the accepted offer, then we would have a subject period. So subject period would mean, we would finalize the financing, meaning we would send over this accepted contract over to the mortgage broker, and then they would finalize all your financing for it and make sure it all pushes right through and get it all done. And then also there would be other subjects as well, such as looking at the title, property disclosure statements, doing inspection, and making sure you get the right insurance on your home as well. And so that would be the fourth step there. And so the fifth step would be subject removal. So after all these conditions have been passed and are adequate for the buyer, then the subject will be removed, and then a deposit amount would be given to the buyer's agent to hold in their brokerage in trust. And so once that has been completed, then basically we would just wait until the completion period. So completion period would mean, we would set a date where that property would be transferred into the buyer's name. And then usually the next day, or it could be the same day as well, or a couple of days down, we would give a possession date. So possession date means you actually get the key to the property and you can actually move in. So this would be a possession and adjustment date, because there would be variable things adjusted that day as well, such as property tax, any bills that are on the home as well. Everything would be adjusted in the fact that you are now taking over the property on this specific date. So that's basically the whole breakdown of how you can purchase a home in Vancouver, BC. So if you like this video and you found it informative, feel free to like and share it. And also feel free to subscribe to our channel as well. Our contact details are also below in case you guys need to get in touch with us and if you guys have any other questions. Thank you guys, and hopefully this is super knowledgeable for you guys. And again, if you guys have any other questions, feel free to reach out.